by day, 1,000 sad stories are kept. The love we built together, it turned out not to be as strong as I thought. You are the one I thought was everything. Now you have changed direction and are a lie. You chose to leave, leaving me without a promise. I try to survive, but this heart can't take it anymore. The third person who is present, destroying everything we dream of. My steps stop here. The love that is lost can't come back. The third person who is present, destroying everything we dream of. My steps leaving you, although my heart still loves you. But I have to leave, because I know we are no longer together. When we promised to be faithful, I never thought of this. Maybe I was the one who trusted too much. Promises that are now empty. A third person who came uninvited, destroying what we built. Even though my heart is hurt, I have to leave, even though it feels heavy. I tried to survive, but this heart can't take it anymore. The third person who was present, destroying everything we dreamed of. My steps stop here. A lost love can't come back. The third person who was present, destroying everything we dreamed of. My steps leaving you, even though my heart still loves you. But I have to leave, because I know we're no longer together. Let me walk alone, looking for a better way. Although it's hard for me to accept, I have to let go for my own sake. My steps stop here. Lost love impossible to return. This loss is too deep. It hurts too much for me